Hello everyone. In this video, I will briefly show you how to create search engine friendly content with AI. AIs are the rave of the moment, and many people are using them to generate content for their website, for their social media accounts, for email marketing, for all manners of online publications. Now, one of the most important benefit of generating content is search engine ranking. Right? If your content are not well optimized for search engine, you're not going to get any ranking. You're not going to get traffic from Google. Right? So in this, what I'm going to show you briefly is how you can write content that will rank on Google using an AI. The content will look like a content written by a normal human being. All right, so let's get started. To get started, click the link in the description below to get to the AI that we use for our content writing and we use for our client. All right, so what you want to do is once you click that link, that will take you here to the AI. It's called AnyWord. And if you look at their pricing is really nice. It's $24 a month, and you have free account, 2 months free account, right? And you also have you can start the account for free. Right, so the first thing you want to do when you're here is you want to click on Start for Free. So you click on Start for Free. Now, when you click on that, you have an option to log in with your Gmail if you have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can just set it up. Set up the account using the email and password. All right, so, but since I'm logged into my Gmail, what I want to do is just click on Continue with Gmail. And that will take me here. I'm going to select my account. And that will log me into the AI platform. Now, we want to take care of this little get started survey. What you want to do is click on get started. Now, this brief questionnaire, what I just want to choose agency owner. I'm going to click next. What's the size? How many people work in your company? I just want to choose 2 to 10. I'm going to click next. And how do you hear about us? I'm going to select Google. Then I'm going to click next. Now, as you choose 2, I want to choose for blog creation. You can always use this for anything you want to use it for. So I'm going to create this, choose this, or I'm going to choose website targeted messaging. So I'm just going to click any, you can click any of them. So I'm going to select that and click start. Now, we'll wait for this to load. Now, the first thing you want to do is enter your keyword. Make sure your keyword you're targeting is not a keyword that is too competitive, depending on your blog ranking or your website reputation, domain authority, and all that factors. But enter your keyword here, and it should be minimum 5 words. Right, so I'm going to say, for example, I'm writing about PMP certification. So I'm going to say PMP certification in USA. Right? PMP certification in USA. Or I'm going to say benefits of PMP certification in USA, right? That's what I'm writing about, right? Keywords here, everything here is keyword. PMP, benefit of PMP certification in USA is a keyword. PMP certification is a highly competitive keyword with over 200,000 monthly search. All right, so I'm just going to click next. After entering your keyword, what you want to do is click on next. Now, when you click on next, you're going to bring you to this option to say enter a keyword. That is this for the title or for the description of what you are writing. Now, you can always edit this and change it to something else. Now, for keyword, I'm going to say PMP certification as the main keyword. Certification as the main keyword. Then for related keyword, I'm going to say project management training. All right, so based off this information, this AI is going to generate unique content for you that are 100% unique and look like a content written by a normal human copywriter. All right, so what you want to do after entering your related keyword is click on next. When you click on next, this is going to let the AI do its magic. I will wait for it. Now, the AI has generated a series of titles that you can use for the topic. You can see 7 reasons to get your PMP certification in the USA. Number 2, the many benefits of any your PMP certification in the United States. So I'm just going to stick with this one. If you don't like any of the titles, generated titles, what you want to do is click on generate more so that you can go through them and select one. But I'm happy with this 7 reasons to get your PMP certification in the USA. So after selecting that, what I want to do is click next. You can also have the option to write your own title if you are not happy with any of them. So you click next. Now you click next, it's going to give you your article outline. You can see that the 7 benefits. So you can go through the 7 benefits and see whether they are all okay. Number 1 is PMP credential is globally recognized as one benefit. Number 2, PMP demonstrates your commitment to your career. PMP can lead to career advancement. These are the benefits. Now, if any of the benefit is not what you would like it to be, what you want to do is click on here on this pencil icon and edit. If you want to delete it, you can delete. Now, if you want to add more to make it more than 7, what you want to do is click on this and add more sections to the outline, the content outline. Now, after going through all the outline and you are happy with it, what you want to do is click next. When you click next, it is time to generate content for the article you're trying to write. But the first thing is to get the introduction. Now, the introduction has been generated. You can go through the introduction, you can read it and see if everything is fine. And I'm happy with this. So what I want to do is just click this to select this. Now, if I'm not happy with this, I can just click on generate more to get more generated introduction for the article I'm trying to write. After selecting your introduction, what you want to do is click on next. Now, when you click on next, it's going to take you here to say setup is complete. Now continue to editor. So we want to click on continue to editor. We click on continue to editor and wait for this to work. Just click on get it. Now you see there are sections for all the benefits that you have listed here, 7 benefits. Now what we want to do next is to generate content for each of these sections. So I want to click here now and click this to generate content for this benefit. That's it. PMP credential is globally recognized. So I want to click on that and wait for the content for this section to be generated. That is generated. Now let's assume that this content is not long enough. I want more of this content for this particular benefit. What I want to do is click this drop down and click continue from end of test. So I'm going to click on that to get more benefit, more details for this particular benefit. Right, so I get more details for this particular benefit. Now I'll head to the next benefit, click on the next benefit box and click on generate to generate the content for that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just generate content for all the other benefits. All right, so you can see that all the sections now have content generated for this article I tried to write. 7 reasons to get your PMP certification in the USA. Now you can see from here that we already have 1,230 words in this article. Now, to make it more human-like content so that it will get really ranked on Google, is to go through, is to read the content, make slight changes, but you can, trust me, you can publish content the way it is, and it's 100% unique and great for search engine. But to make it better, what you want to do is go through the content, make changes manually to it. Now, instead of it taking you 2 days, 3 days, 7 days to write a great piece of content, you can write a great piece of content for your website, for your blog, with just 2 hours, with just 1 hour. Your content writing is done. Now, you want to go through it, do internal linking. A great part of SEO is internal linking for your blog. Link to other authoritative websites that you want. That's the editing part of the content. Now, add pictures where applicable. Add alternate text to your pictures. Do all the normal SEO tricks and that you will normally do for your content. After reading through and editing and just spending a little time, 30 minutes to edit and fine-tune the already generated content. Now, after doing that, what you want to do is click on copy to clipboard. When you click on copy to clipboard, you already have your article fully generated. Now what you want to do is just paste your article on maybe on a notepad or Word, Microsoft Word. Now you can then look at the article. Either you can edit it or edit it right on the AI platform. You can now go ahead and publish it on your website. And in less than 1 hour, 2 hours, you can have great content. You can generate content for your ads. You can generate content for your email marketing using this great tool. Now, if this helps you in any way, like and share this content, and don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified when we publish content like this that can help with your online marketing campaign.